in today's adventure. We're about a week away from Easter. We just got back from spring break. We were invited by Mr. Ben and Andrew for a bus tour, taking the A route from Junction all the way down to, what is the name of it? Not the Orpheum, Overture Center. The Overture Center for a behind-the-scenes elevator tour. Someone knows how to invite someone to go do something fun. You ready? All right, let's do it. Go. All right. Whoa, watch it. Oh, don't want to crash here. Hold on. Gotta. Doot, doot. Push the button. Let's go. All right. Watch out now. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Whoa. Whoa. Andrew, check it out, man. Come on.
Dun, dun, dun. This is not a slow bus. This is an electrified, super fast, super bus.
Happy to be a part of your YouTube channel.
This is his thing.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, hey, get all the fancy needs. Whoa. What do you think?
Oh, wow.
Woo! Put your legs up. Woo! Oh, there goes the chair.
I'll get it. I'm sorry about that.
Chair took a spill. Thank you, sir. Into elevator tour
Door number two.
at the Overture Center.
Here's our tour guide. Free elevators, here we come. Whoa.
We gotta go over here, huh?
We did.
Get those sweet ones.
Which one do you
50.
We are. This is, so the Overture Center is home to 3 theaters, and this is the biggest one.
Ooh, let's go.
Balcony. Okay, that works for me.
Andrew has his own agenda.
Where are we? We're underground.
We are
Underground jazz. We're in the depths.
A lot of, like, this is kind of like the usher and volunteer area.
Oh, wait. Do you know Juan? Look at this, John. So the depths of. Wait, there's another set. How did you know that they were already over here? How did you?
I found them.
Find.
This is,
man.
This is the biggest service
I
elevator.
always think it's bigger. I like right now it looks like,
How you doing?
you know, it's kind of normal size elevator, and then once it opens, I'm always surprised.
Oh, and you want to look in this one out before it's gone? You want
That's
to
a good one.
decent size. Couple more.
Even larger one.
Okay.
All right. Let's see.
One is this.
Whoa.
10,000.
10,000. Oh, and look.
Let's-
What do you
let's see
need?
where we're going.
Yeah.
We go. Oh.
Studio level, huh?
This is where they have a lot of like set pieces go through one at a time.
Set. Thanks for the lift. Thanks, Andrew. Where is this gonna take us? Oof.
And then along with the elevators, today there's no show going on in Overture Hall. So hopefully we can take a peek inside. Here, let's go in.
We're gonna go in first.
Oh, Jones, I can't remember. I've seen 2 shows here. I can't remember if it was in the big one. Ooh. Whoa, dude, it's like totally dark in here. Dude. Oh, I got it. I can't see it.
We're almost.
Oh, come on.
There we go. There we go. Okay. We're getting close here. I'll get this.
Looks like a balcony or something. Oh my gosh.
Where's the light?
Yeah, is there a main light? it's a clapper. Andrew, it's a clapper.
I turned them on.
Let's turn those back on.
Oh, Joe. Yeah.
Andrew, I'm scared. Stay back, my dad.
There's no one. The only reason about those lights, the only reason they keep those lights on, that's what's called a ghost light. Because there's an old story that there's ghosts that walk around on the stage, and they don't want the ghosts tripping over things, so they leave the lights on, even though no one's in here.
Oh my gosh.
That's so.
I mean, it is pretty high up here.
Looks like that's the level we're on.
Yeah.
I am not interested in that specific one.
Oh, we found this elevator. What's the capacity in this one, Andrew?
3,500.
It's just average. Average.
It's a good capacity
Yeah,
for a
main-
passenger elevator.
Main lobbies.
I certainly weigh 100 pounds, so I can ride this elevator.
All right.
And
Dressing room.
and
The
so
dressing rooms where the performers will regularly, they've got their couches and their mirrors for makeup and all that.
here the
So they can hear the play.
I wonder how you turn on the.
Oh, it's probably those. That's
If anyone can figure it out, it would be Sir Andrew.
there
Look
it
at
is.
those.
There it
Those
is.
are legit.
There you go. That's the right line. You gotta you lit from both sides when you're doing your makeup. So. Good. The way it's playing in my
Back door. Back
I'm giving
door.
a tour.
Awesome.
What is this?
So there's no one famous we're gonna bump into. Is that what you're telling us?
Originally, this was the Madison Civic Center.
Ah,
And so
yeah.
this trash can is the only record I've seen of that because it says Civic Center Stage on this one trash can.
Oh, wow.
And that is the Civic Center. And this used to be an alley between 2 completely separate buildings, which is now the same
Right.
building. So, like when we were working down here, we call this the alley because it used to very much be an alley.
Yeah, this was an exterior wall.
Yeah.
No kidding.
So this is the alley.
Fun fact.
Taking set pieces that are like the size of a house. Look how tall that door
Look at the door. It's going into the Overture Center.
Open that door and I'm not gonna try.
All right.
I rather like that.
I just like that it's rise up.
No, I will
Thanks
be
for the
back
tour.
today
Thanks
to
for
see
the
a
tour.
play with that play that I was like sending an email about.
She said she don't see you that often. How you doing? How you doing? I'm gonna come visit you one day. I'm coming on the 7th, okay? Tony don't want me to come to high school, but I want to come to high school. I want to.
How is she doing?
She's fine.
Pleasure to see Miss Chanel. Huh, Jones? Was that fun? Seeing Miss Chanel? It's always somebody, right? Just somebody somewhere. Nice artwork, by the way. All right, we made it out. On our way back to Junction. Here comes the bus. Back after a fun day. Elevator tour. Hanging out with friends. Way to go home and have lunch. See a bus transfer junction.